Let me share my screen. Visible now?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have done with the master image. Okay. Now
Yeah.
we have to create the virtual machine as per the business requirement. Okay. So now this is the
So
only
in the,
console.
okay, sorry. To navigate into this Citrix Studio,
Mm-hmm.
what we'll do is in the Zen Center, we'll have this console
In the
tab, which
in
will
the
take
Gen
us.
Center, you will have one delivery controller virtual machine, and
Yeah.
you have to go there, power it. It will be power on. Just simply click on
Mhm.
console tab.
Okay.
And if you do not
That will
want,
be.
and if you do not want
uh,
to go to the uh, Gen server or Gen Center, and
mm.
if you remember the IP or host name, you can simply take RDP as well from any computer
Okay. Okay.
connected into the domain. Right? Like from this
Okay.
machine, I can take RDP like
Mhm.
CTX hyphen DC no WP hyphen DC. So in both way you can work. It's totally up to you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But I'm just working on it so that you will be familiar with this console as well, right?
Correct. Correct. Correct.
So now our requirement is to create few machines for HR team or any other team, right? So
Mm.
to do the same, simply create on click machine catalog, create machine catalog. This is introduction. Click on next. Now it is asking which type of operating system do you have in your master image. So the master image we have configured with multi-session OS. That is server operating system, right? And single
Mm.
session, it will for Windows 7, Windows 10 or desktop VDI. Okay. And if you have any physical machine, and in that physical machine, you can install the VDA agent and you can publish that physical machine as well to end users. Okay. So we will go with this server option, multi-session. Click on next. Now our machines are power managed. Okay. Do you know what is power managed machines and what are the not power managed?
Oh, is it Wake Online or something like that?
Look, these are our virtual machines, right?
Correct.
And these are the power managed. Why? Because I can remotely power them on or shut down or reboot, right? But if you have physical machine in your office, for an example, you are having your own laptop, right? So
Mm-hmm.
to power on your physical machine, you need someone to be there who can manually switch on the machine,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
right? So our machines are on hypervisor, okay, virtual machine. So these are the power managed.
Mm-hmm.
And second option, if you have any physical machine that you want to publish, you can use
Mm.
that. So we will go with the first one. Why? Because each and everything it is on the hypervisor. And
Okay.
the deployment we are using MCS, machine creation services. Click on next. Now it is searching for the master image. So in production you will get such kind of list, huge list. You are telling me now you are having 18 or 19 master images, right? So now
Yeah.
it is asking like from which master image you have to create the virtual machines. So I am having
Okay.
multiple, but recently what we have configured this one, right? For HR.
Correct.
So you have
Correct.
to select the
Yeah.
correct one, okay? As per the
Correct.
naming convention. So let's select this one. Click on next. Now it is asking how many virtual machines do you want to create? So you can create
Mm-hmm.
100, you can create 100 or even 1000,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
But
Okay. Okay.
we do not have that much of hardware configurations, right? So we will create two
Mm-hmm.
only, okay?
Okay.
And memory for every machine, we will allocate 2048, 2 GB for testing, okay? Like
Okay.
2 GB memory will be there for every machine. Hmm.
Mm.
Click on next. Now it is asking for the OU. In which OU do you want to uh, like create Active Directory account for these machines, right? So we will
Mm.
use the existing one, sorry, new one, and here you just have to provide the path of OU. So I have already created one OU here, virtual machines. Okay, so I will select this one. Okay,
Mhm.
are you getting from where this path is
Okay,
coming?
okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. From the
Yes, from the ID.
AD structure, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now,
Okay.
this is very, very important. The naming convention or the naming scheme. Okay, so
Mm,
what we are doing, we are creating two machines. For an example, let's consider we are creating 100 machines. Okay, so
mm,
the naming conventions for the virtual machines. Why? Because these virtual machines automatically added to that AD account, right? So
mm.
naming convention, it should be like that. Okay, let me check if there is any duplicate account already created. Okay, HRDex 23123 already created.
No, we can add a WPHR
Right.
disk.
Okay. So let's name it like WP hyphen HR hyphen desk for desktop
Yeah,
and
0.
hyphen hash. So
Okay.
hashes is the naming convention means if you are creating 100 machines, okay? So the host name of
Oh, okay,
first
okay.
machine will be HRTech 01, 02, 03 and so on till 100.
Mm,
Okay, it will automatically
okay.
pick it up. If you do not want to go with the numbers, you can change it from here A to Z. So first machine host name will be AB, AC, CC, CD, something like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in that way, there will be no conflict. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
So click on next. So here is a summary. So now we must have to enter some machine catalog name for this virtual machines. Okay. So machine catalog, you can consider this as a group name we are giving to this. Okay. So let's name it HR desktop or for HR team, whatever you can give, but it should be identical. Okay. So click on finish. So now you will see right now it is copying the master image as you can see.
Mm,
Which image it is copying? This one, right?
mm,
So it is copying the master image and after some time on your hypervisor, like here in this list, you will automatically get
mm,
two virtual machines by name HR Dex, whatever we have given WP or something 101 and 02, right? So
mm, mm,
now this is a kind of automation means you are actually not working on hypervisor, you are working on this server. You have taken the RDP and you are doing your activities, right? But this is just a
mm,
console. The machine will be creating on the hypervisor itself. Okay.
mm.
So let's wait for this. So in a same way, what you can do, you can create multiple machine catalogs for HR team, for sales team. Like those catalogs will be there in your client existing infra. Okay. You just first you have to understand your client infra, right? What kind of infra they actually have.
Mm.
And when we will be upgrading this our existing test infra, na, you will get multiple things clear. In the meantime, whatever I am doing here now, please
Mm.
follow the things on the lab itself. You can see on your right hand side, it is preparing, right?
Mm.
We are not copying anything. We are not mounting any ISO media, right? We are doing nothing. It is preparing HR desktop. So if I click here and if I click on console, so you will see something is booting up here, right? It will take a while. Let's go back here only. So this is how and why we create the master images to reduce the time and effort.
Okay. This Citrix Studio icon will be there on the delivery controller, right? On the desktop. If you minimize this,
Yes, here it is.
yeah, it is here. Yeah. We installed that, right?
Yes.
Correct.
And this is
Um,
just a like this is just an console. You can install Studio on your Windows 10 laptop as well.
okay.
And you just have to connect the delivery controller to the Studio. That's it.
Mhm.
Yeah, it is same like in SQL we are having SQL Management Studio, right? We can install
Mhm.
that on any computer and we can connect SQL Server over the IP or the host name, right? So it is just a console. So it is just copying the master image and let's see if something is there. Let me refresh. Okay, right now there is no account added so far. Okay, you can see right now it is configuring the machine catalog. Okay, now it is creating the computer account. I think it is done, and you can see WP deck 01 and 02 on your left hand side, right? Is it visible?
Yeah.
These two machines, right? So very simple. We have created from this console. Now, if I go to Active Directory, now let me try to refresh it. You can see two computer account already added and join into our domain, right?
Yeah.
So there was no manual stuff. Manual stuff we performed one time only on the master image, right? And then
Yeah.
after there is no manual stuff. So we have created the master image, and in the meantime I have done with today, and tomorrow we will create delivery group to publish these machines to our end users, right? And before creating delivery group, what we will do, we will configure storefront as well. Okay,
Okay.
here till then we have completed. That is 10-minute topics only. Okay, and that is the installation part. So it will take some time. Okay, and after that we are good to test our deployment. Then we will go to the upgrade plan. Okay, that was your requirement, right?
Mm.
So in the meantime, what you can do, let me create one user account for you for lab access. What is your full name?
Arvind, Arvind.
Arvind.
Kiran. Oh,
It's 20th November, so let me extend it till 15 December for now.
10th of December तक ओके. उसके बाद मैं बाकी I'll get it from
ठीक है, उसके
10th
बाद
of
हम
Jan.
इंक्रीज कर देंगे, ठीक है, अभी 10th कर देते हैं.
Yeah, yeah.
Now you are connected with your laptop or desktop, what?
Laptop.
Okay, open your WhatsApp, copy that IP, live IP, and try to take a RDP of this server. Just share your screen, I will guide you.
Yeah. Just switch my.
Just share your screen.
Okay. I should take RDP, is it?
Yes. Your screen is actually not visible. I'm getting the black window.
I'll do it. Where's the stage? This.
Is it connecting or not over the RDP?
Okay. Wait, I'm sharing. Got it?
Yeah, click on connect.
Connect. No.
Perfect. That means, wait. Mhm. Which internet you are using?
My hotspot.
It's Airtel one or BSNL one or what it is?
Geo.
Wait. Let me try to connect it from my cell phone. There might be some restriction in your network. Let me paste the IP, save.
But should I use this to connect from my personal laptop, or this is office laptop?
No, in office laptop it will never work.
Is
Look,
it okay? Then this is my
I
office
have
laptop.
taken the remote from my cell phone, right, over the internet with the same IP. So it is working, but for you, what you can do in office laptop, na, some uh, security like protocols are there, maybe something will
Yeah.
blocking, right? So you
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
try it with your personal one. Okay, that's
Okay.
it for today. And username, credentials, and IP I already shared with you, right? So just do it on your personal laptop, and we'll connect tomorrow for storefront
Tomorrow.
configuration
Okay. Okay.
and to create the delivery groups. Okay.
Okay. And also, you share me that slide. You
Mm,
said
I will do it once I
tomorrow.
logged in for my office now. I
Tomorrow.
will do it. Okay.
Tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.